What's up, YouTube? This is Wolf David showing you how to use PkHex.exe, which is a modding software for Pokemon. I know it might be easy to cheat, but if you're having a difficult time like catching Pokemon or like hunting all of them, you can just easily like create them, like some that you need. So yeah. I'm going to show you how to do that. For example, I have this backup from my 3DS. So I'm not like paying my games that much. Hang on, I have to like relit my cigarette here. So yeah, so this is what the interface looks like. They also have like Let's Go Pikachu Game It update recently. You can use Pokemon Go, which I don't know how you do that. Um So yeah, so basically what you do if you don't see your game here, you just back it up with I forget the name of the program, but I think it's called Backup Manager. No, Checkpoint, that's the name. Use Checkpoint, you go into that and you back up your game. Then what you do from there is you go into here and you copy that. So this is from my Omega Ruby, my old save file. So what you can do is you can make this into shinies pretty easily. And you can actually change a lot of stuff. You can do Pearl, Diamond, Soul Silver, Rupee, Sapphire, Emerald, Fire Red, Bleak Green, all the above. So it's not that very hard to create your own Pokemon unless you know what to do. For example, I'm gonna create one with my own save file. So I'm gonna choose Vulpix because I like Vulpix. Who doesn't like Vulpix? You can make this into a shiny. I mean, you have to reroll because it'll affect the value of the shiny Pokemon in game. If it shows with a red triangle, it means it's not legal to use in game or online. So if you click here, it'll make it to shiny. As you can see there, it made it to shiny. And all you have to do, you can make it to a low 100. And you change it'll show you the info. Yeah, it'll say I'm able to match encounter from in-game. So if that show, you do that. That usually gets a problem. So that's you choose any met location. I don't think it matters. So I'll choose that. And you can make it as an egg. Don't worry about that. I'll like suggest to make it 2019. Like if you choose 2000, it'll seem fishy. So, yep, yep. And you have to choose this to level 1. And so, those so say moves are not invalidated, so I feel like clicking that so I know what I'm missing. So, memory, original trainer memory is missing. So, Alt-T. So, my name is Ash from the game, and you can randomize IVs, so I can do flying, grass. For me, I'm just gonna do fire. And you do like that city to that invaded feeling. So I can put invaded feeling to, well, I'm just gonna put this here and we put it into Vulpix because it does mess up sometimes, so you might have to redo it a couple times so you actually get it. And you can always change it later. So it made a move. See, it's that. So if you put like your original Pokemon in, like so, and rename it PkHex. Nope. Meant PkHex, and so on. Automated match counter. You do mounts here, and let's say for some reason, but you get the point. And you split that as the main. It'll go change the solo to 100, and change it to 255 for friendship. And so here comes the tricky part. I usually put it as female because you can migrate your Pokemon. And I'm gonna put that shiny. I'll put that there because it will not see if we don't put that there. And I'll see I'm able to match and counter. So what I like to do is put it as egg. And it's a beta level mount. So basically it's moving. And so, and you change that mount met level to always reach this to recent date, because you kind of have to, basically. And you can put anything, like you put Vulpix or Ninetales special Mega Evolution. I'm not gonna do that. Mount here. Wait, what is this thing I'm missing? Oh, Met level. So I'm gonna put this at Met level 1. And now it's legal. So now you have a legal shiny Vulpix. So that's what you have to do to make your own Pokemon. And to transfer it, all you do is expert main, and then go to your 3DS, and then hit restore, and your new Pokemon should be in there. So I'm not gonna save it, so yep. So I hope you did enjoy this little tutorial on using PkHex. I will be leaving the link in the description when I get a hold of it. Anyway, stay tuned, guys, and have a nice day. Peace.